Hello. So for the circle unit, you have the option. Now this is just strictly optional to make a circle notebook, which oddly enough looks like a circle. So in the end, what you're going to end up with is something that has several pages, and it kind of turns on itself, that you can take your, well, get this circle notes on. Now the process for making this is not that terrible. Now ideally, you want blank paper, though lined paper would work, or any sort of paper you can find. If it's so you can write on both sides, that'd be the best. And you will then need to have some sort of template to make a circle. I've chosen a plate. Now I chose this particular plate, not quite a full dinner plate, because it just barely fits on the piece of paper such that I can trace it. And the whole idea here is to make as good a circle as you can. If you want to freehand it, no one's grading your circle, so don't sweat it. You're going to need about 3 sheets of paper. What you want to do, at least 3 sheets of paper. If you want to do 4, that's fine. Just gives you more pages in the book. And you can always add later, too, if you need to. Once again, I would say this is optional. Then all you have to do is take and you cut your circles out. Now I'm doing it all at once for speed and uniformity's sake. And you cut your circle out, making, well, frankly, happy little circles. And we try not to bore you to tears while I finish cutting this, and don't jab myself with the scissors. Now, the next part is actually the tricky part. This should give you not 1, but in my case, 3. Now, what you need to do is take one of these, just one, right? Just one of the circles. Don't fold it fully in half. You don't want to crease it. That kind of wrecks the effect. But you want to fold it in half, and what you're going to do is you're going to make a cut in this at about halfway. So you want to estimate where halfway is. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you're going to cut within, I don't know, you can see that about an inch, a little bit more from the side. So what you end up with is a notch in there, right? And put a hole right in the center. It doesn't go all the way through. Then you're going to take the other 2 pieces. You can do something similar, as in you're going to fold them in half, but instead of making a cut here, what you're going to do is make a cut on either side. And you want to make this about, I don't know, about a third of the way through on that side, just like that. And a third of the way through on that side, just like that. So you end up with this. Now both of these are together, right? Contrast isn't that great, but you can see those 2 together. So then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this in half the other direction, just like that. So you got your, kind of like a taco here. And you're going to take the portion that has the slit in it, you're going to slide this inside of the slit, just like that. Now it's just inside there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to unfold it, sneaking one edge of the notch into the cutout like that. And it should fall all together. Now, pieces of advice. Based on experience, be patient. Don't force it. That tends to force rips. Okay? But there it is. This is how you make the circle notebook that you can use to take notes on. As we go through the circle unit, I'll reference what you can put on here if you're interested in doing it. If not, please take the notes. They'll come in handy. But you don't necessarily have to do it on the circle notebook. Thanks.